Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are building an email list and looking for the best tools to boost your marketing game, you've probably come across Klaviyo and Tiny Email. But the question is, which one's right for you? In today's video, we are going to show you the pros and cons, the features, pricing, and ease of use for these two platforms to help you decide which one fits your marketing needs. Let's begin. Now, Klaviyo is an advanced marketing automation platform that specializes in email marketing and SMS campaigns. It is designed to help businesses create personalized, data-driven communications to drive customer engagement, increase sales, and improve retention. Klaviyo is particularly popular among e-commerce businesses and integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. If you're interested to know the pricing, if you click this button right here, you would notice that the email and SMS starts at $60 and you have all of these perks and benefits. The email starts at $45. You can take the next step in your email marketing. And of course, the free trial is $0, which is perfect for us getting started and trying out the Klaviyo customer platform. All we have to do is click the sign up button, and all they have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here on Klaviyo, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the Klaviyo team and click the button right here to explore the platform. You would be forwarded here in this section right here, wherein the first thing that you would notice is that the key features of Klaviyo is the email marketing. All right, so from here, you can create your own campaign by clicking this campaign button. You can create automated email flows for various customer actions such as welcome series, abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, and re-engagement emails. If you click the create a campaign, all right, for example, we are going to rename this as this campaign. Draft date is this. Of course, we're not gonna choose the setup SMS, but for now, we're gonna use the email to send a targeted email message. Click on continue. All right. Now you can send to a list or segment if you wanted. We have a separate video doing all these, but for now, we're gonna choose the email list if you have that. All right, and you have all these options. You can enable UTM tracking, but for now, let's leave it as it is. Click on next, and you would be forwarded to the email message. All right, subject line is maybe this preview text. This is just an example. All right, and if you haven't created the templates yet, you see you can access a vast library of customizable templates for various campaign types. You have like for newsletters, you see that, to promotional offers, and a lot more. You can do this in a separate campaign. But for now, we're going to close this and click on next. All right. But for now, we're going to skip this because we're going to see some of the options for Klaviyo's platform. Here on the options, you can view the analytics, all right, and export it because the analytics measures the success of campaigns right here, dashboard with detailed analytics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. You can track ROI and campaign effectiveness through the Klaviyo's dashboard. All right. Now we go over to our next contender, which is Tiny Email. It is a modern email marketing platform designed to help businesses create, manage, and optimize email campaigns with ease. It is tailored for small and medium-sized businesses, offering a simple and intuitive interface for designing emails, automating workflows, and analyzing campaign performance. Tiny Email integrates with e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other tools to provide data-driven insights for improved marketing results. Similarly to Klaviyo, you might want to click the pricing to gauge if this is going to be the platform for you. They offer a free trial, which is $0. The standard comes at $15. You have all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. The Pro comes at $65. The Shopify Pro is free for Shopify users. And the Enterprise is something which is a big commitment. but you need to book a sales call and demo from the sales support team. But for now, let's hit the start free trial and you would be forwarded to this section. All you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. All right. Now, obviously, you just have to follow all these and then just click on continue. Takes a little while, but soon as you finish all these, you should be able to access the tiny email dashboard wherein you can easily connect. All right. Similarly to Klaviyo, basically Tiny Email has an email campaign creation where you can use the easy-to-use editor to create beautiful email designs without coding knowledge. They also offer a pre-designed email templates to help you get started quickly. And of course, you also have an option for the custom branding. You can customize templates to align with your brand's look and feel. All right, in terms of the automation, if you go here, all right, discover and create. You have the email builder. You can create stunning interactive emails in minutes. All right. Because if you set up the automated workflows based on a customer behavior, such as welcome emails, cart abandonment, reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups, you can create automated email series triggered by specific actions like signups, purchases, or websites. So our verdict is that Klaviyo is really good for e-commerce business with large product catalogs and need for advanced segmentation and data-driven campaigns, especially if you're one of those brands seeking deep integrations with e-commerce. Because if you want deep integrations with e-commerce platform, you see, and detailed customer insights, Klaviyo offers more comprehensive support for that, especially for complex needs. All right. But the pricing is also based on the number of contacts and email sends. It can get expensive as your contact list grows, especially for small businesses. But it offers, on the other hand, it offers advanced segmentation, behavior tracking, and personalized automation based on the customer activity. All right, which is geared towards e-commerce business, especially those using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, ideally for companies with larger product catalogs and complex data needs. Because although it's known for its user-friendly interface, it also offers a steeper learning curve if you want to dive deep into the automation and segmentation. But the powerful automation workflows might require time to master for advanced users. And again, you use Tiny Email if you're just starting out or have a straightforward email needs. Basically, Tiny Email is a great choice, especially for a small or medium-sized business looking for a simple, cost-effective solution to manage email campaigns without the complexity of advanced features. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.